Austin over on TikTok says, my wife wants to know if day trading is on the same wavelength as gambling. Nope, absolutely not. Not at all. This is why this is not gambling. Follow all of these rules and you will immediately find out why, Austin and your wife. Number one, if you are training, do not use real money. Go into a casino and tell them you want to use fake money. Number two, you're not allowed to lose more than 1 to 3% of your total account value in any given day. Go to a casino with $1,000 in your pocket. Tell the casino you will not be losing more than 2% on average when you walk out, and see how that works out. Number three, if you have 2 red trading days in a row, you don't get to trade for a month. How many of you walk into a casino and have 2 losing days and then tell yourself you don't get to go to the casino for a month? Notice the trend here is protecting your assets while growing your portfolio. Everything we do is in protection of your assets. It has nothing to do with profits. Make sure you guys are not trading in the first 3 minutes or the last 8 minutes of the day if you're an advanced trader, or the first 30 minutes or the last hour of the day if you are inexperienced. You should always be trading stocks before options. Every different strategy we have has different rule sets to them. You must understand the rule sets for them. Make sure you guys are practicing with small position sizes. That will allow you to put in those stop losses to stop out the losers so you don't take a big loss, and then let the runners run. We do not trade with a bias here. We trade with what the market gives us. If it wants to trend to the upside, we'll go to the upside. If it wants to trend to the downside, we'll trend it to the downside. If it wants to chop sideways, we'll straddle or strangle it till it decides what it wants to do. We have something for everybody, from day trading, swing trading, overnight, long-term, cash secure puts, covered calls, wheel option strategy, hedging your long-term accounts, right? It doesn't matter. We will take care of everything across the board and train and educate you. I've been doing this for 33 years. We have thousands, not hundreds, thousands of free training videos over on our YouTube channel, American Dream Trading. All I ask is you click the subscribe, hit the notification bell so you're alerted when we go live and when we release new videos.